Hello, everybody. Today for math, we're going to talk about how we estimate the product. So remember, when we estimate, we find something that is close. We are not looking for the exact answer here. So let's look at letter A. 7 times 28 is close to 7 times, So we're going to take a peek at 28. And 28, when I think about rounding 28 is closer to 30, and I round up to 30. So 7 times 28 is close to 7 times 30. I'm not going to solve it right now. I just want you to start thinking about rounding again. Let's look at letter B. 215 times 2 is close to what number times 2? So again, we're going to look at the 215. That's the number that I can round. So it goes all the way up to the hundreds. So is 215 going to round down to 200 or round up to 300? It rounds down to 200. So when I estimate the product, I'm not going to solve for 215 times 2. I am going to solve 200 times 2. Now let's look at some examples that we can work out together. Still, we are estimating the product, so we're going to round. And if I see the first problem, it looks like 21 times 6. Now again, I'm not looking to solve 21 times 6. I don't want the exact answer here. I do want to find out a number that's close. I'm not going to round the 1-digit number. I am going to focus on the 2-digit number. So 21 is closer when I round it down to 20. And I'm going to multiply that by 6. And now to find the product, the answer, we're going to use what we worked on yesterday, which was then looking for the basic fact. So here I have my underlining. 2 times 6 is 12. And I'm going to take this 0 and bring it over here. So when I estimate to find the product of 21 times 6, my answer is going to be close to 120. Okay, so let's look at this number 2. I have 3 times 473. I'm not going to round the 1-digit number. I will look at the larger digit number. It goes all the way up to the hundreds. So when I go to write my product, it will be 3 times 473 rounds up to 500. And again, we'll use what we worked on the other day, yesterday. So we'll underline that basic fact of 3 times 5 is 15. This time I'm taking my zeros. I have 2 of them, and I'm going to bring them over here. I also need my comma, and my answer is 1,500. So now we're going to practice some on our whiteboards, and then we'll move on to IXL for even more practice.